After 15 years, the Wewak Island West Coast District Pathfinder Fair made a triumphant return on Sunday, October 20th, drawing a large crowd to the local stadium. 8 local churches participated in the event, showcasing their creativity through colorful floats and engaging in a variety of competitive games. Elder Raymond Manam, a key organizer of the event, expressed his gratitude to the leaders and volunteers who contributed to its success. "Your unwavering commitment and support made this event possible," he said. "We couldn't have done it without your dedication." The Pathfinder Fair featured a variety of exciting games, including traditional and modern challenges. Organizers ensured the games ran smoothly and fairly, keeping track of scores and maintaining order. The opening ceremony, led by Elder Raymond Manam, featured speeches from distinguished guests and a captivating March Past and Martial Command display by 𝐏𝐚𝐤𝐫 Church. The successful return of the Pathfinder Fair marks a significant milestone for the Wewak Island West Coast District and promises to be an annual event for years to come. That's all for our weekly news, and see you all next week. God bless.